Hard inquiries dragging your scores down. I'm about to explain to you exactly how to delete them fast, no fluff. Now what I want you to do is download my credit repair software and join my Telegram group for free. Let's go. Step number 1, go to identityiq.com and get your 3-bureau 30-day credit report. This is very important for you to have access to your credit scores. Now, you can also use my affiliate link and you can save on your monthly payment. Now, once you have access to it, you're gonna scan for credits you don't know. You're gonna scan for typos or duplicates, as well as hard inquiries that are over 2 years old. These should automatically fall off from your credit report. So make sure that you have scanned and you have highlighted this on your credit report. Step number 2, dispute your errors using my dispute software. Now, make sure that when you do it, that you add 2 forms of identification and as well as you mail it out via certified mail. If you do not do this, you will not be successful. If the bureau says no, call the creditor. Once you do that, tell them, show me proof that I applied on this date or remove it. No proof, then demand for removal. Now, if you're still stuck, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna threaten them to file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. If they do that, then what's gonna happen is they'll fold fast. So this is another option, and you can take it or leave it. Now, for inquiries you actually apply for but you regret, send a goodwill letter. And once you do that, tell them, as a loyal customer, please remove this hard inquiry because I'm trying to achieve a specific goal. Now, obviously what you should do is you should also target the CEO of that particular company. It works 10 times faster, so make sure that you take this route if you're trying to get that hard inquiry removed. If it's identity theft, go to identitytheft.gov, slap a fraud alert on your credit report, and demand that the credit bureau should remove it within 4 days. After removing your hard inquiries, now keep your credit usage under 10%. You can also add AU trade lines. We offer them in the description below, and this will actually boost your scores, especially if you're trying to apply for a mortgage or loan, as well as freeze your credit report. No new hard inquiries. You're done. Drop a comment in the comment section if you have any questions, as well as you can reach out to us privately at credithealing@gmail.com. If you're ready to get started and if you need any assistance, go to www.credithealing.org. And also, make sure that you follow us on our next video because we will be talking about how we help the client go from 480 to 750 in just 90 days. See you there.